Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to connect Instagram to Facebook. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. First of all, open browser and sign into your Instagram account, and after that click on your profile icon and click on settings and scroll down to the left hand side. Then you will find this account center. Click on it and now click on add accounts, and here you will get your present sign in Facebook account. And if you continue with your present sign in Facebook account, then click on continue. If you want to continue with your another Facebook account, then you have to click on not you, and after that here you have to sign in into that Facebook account you want to connect with your Instagram. So right now I'm going to sign into this account and now click on continue. Now click on continue. Yes, finish setup. Here you can see my Facebook is now connected with my Instagram account. This was how we can connect our Instagram to Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.